Dear students, welcome to Study Bus, your online study channel. Today we are going to study English subject for class 2. Let's have the overview. Chapter number is 3. Chapter name is Jack and the Beanstalk, adapted from Joseph Jacobs' fairy tale. Let's read the story. Once upon a time, there lived a poor woman. She had a son named Jack and a cow named Milky White. The cow gave milk every morning, which Jack carried to the market to sell. But one morning, Milky White gave no milk. They had no money and no food in the house. "Go and sell the cow," she said. On his way, Jack met an old man. "Good morning, Jack," he said. Jack wondered how he knew his name. "Where are you going?" said the man. "I am going to the market to sell our cow," Jack replied. "Well, I can take your cow," said the man, "but I can only give you these 5 bean seeds for your cow," he added. "What will I do with these?" asked Jack. "Ah, if you plant them overnight, by morning they will grow and reach up to the sky." Jack took the bean seeds and went home happily. He gave them to his mother. "What?" shouted Jack's mother. "How can we live on 5 seeds?" She threw the seeds out of the window. Sadly, Jack went to his little room and went off to sleep. The next morning, Jack saw something strange from his window. The beans had sprung up into a big beanstalk which went up and up till it reached the sky. Jack jumped onto the beanstalk and climbed till at last he reached the sky. There he found a long road leading to a big house. At the doorstep stood a tall woman. "Good morning," said Jack politely to the woman. "Could you be so kind to give me some breakfast? I am very hungry." "You want breakfast?" said the woman. "My husband is a giant and he loves to eat little boys like you. So better be going on, or he will soon be coming." "Oh, please give me something to eat," Jack insisted. So she took him into the kitchen and gave him milk and cheese. "Thank you," said Jack. He was still eating when thump, 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 the whole house began to tremble. "Goodness gracious me, it's the giant, my husband," said the woman. She quickly hid Jack in the oven and asked him not to come out. The giant ate his breakfast and then he said, "Wife, please bring me the hen that lays the golden eggs." So she brought the hen and the giant said, "Lay." The hen laid an egg made of gold. The giant smiled and then began to snore. Jack came out of the oven, caught hold of the hen, and quickly climbed down the beanstalk. When he got home, he showed his mother the wonderful hen and said, "Lay." The hen laid a golden egg. For a few days, Jack and his mother lived a comfortable life. But Jack now began to wonder if he could find something else up there in the sky. So one morning he climbed up again till he reached the giant's house. He hid behind a bush and waited. When the women came out to get some water, he crept into the house and got into a big copper pot. He hadn't been there long when he heard thump, 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 and in came the giant and his wife. As usual, the giant ate his breakfast. Then he called out to his wife, "Wife, please bring me the golden harp." So she brought the harp and put it on the table before him. "Sing," he said, and the golden harp sang most beautifully. It went on singing till the giant fell asleep. Then Jack quietly came out of the pot, picked up the golden harp, and started to run. But this time the giant woke up. Jack ran as fast as he could, and the giant came rushing after. Down climbed Jack, and after him climbed the giant. Jack climbed down and down till he was very close to his home. He called out to his mother, "Mother, bring me an axe quickly." Jack cut the beanstalk into two. The giant fell down with a thud. Jack showed his mother the golden harp. She was delighted. From on, Jack and his mother lived comfortably and happily ever after. So here we have completed our story. Now let's do the exercise. Number these sentences in the order that they appear in the story. One has been done for you. So in one place, one morning, Milky White gave no milk. This sentence come on first place. Second, so Jack's mother asked him to sell the cow in the market. This is the second sentence. On his way, Jack met an third sentence. Now fourth sentence. Jack took the seeds from the old man and went back home happily. Fifth sentence. Jack's mother threw the seeds out of the window. Now sixth sentence. The next morning the seeds had sprung up into a big beanstalk which went up and up till it reached the sky. So these are the correct sentences for this question. Fill in the blanks. Every morning Jack carried the milk to the market to sell. The old man gave bean seeds to Jack for his cow. Jack jumped on the beanstalk and climbed it to reach the sky. The giant's wife gave Jack milk and cheese for breakfast. When the giant said lay, the hen laid a golden egg. Now answer these questions. Where did the giant's wife hide Jack? The giant's wife hid Jack in the oven. Second question. Where did Jack hide the second time when he came to the giant's house? So second time Jack hid himself in a big copper pot. Third question. What did the giant do with his golden harp? Giant says sing, and the golden harp sang most beautifully till the giant fell asleep. Fourth question. How did Jack save himself from the giant? So Jack cut the beanstalk into two and saved himself from the giant. So these are the answers for these questions, and hope the story is clear to you, and if you have any problem, please watch the video again. Thank you.